Hello and welcome. It's wonderful to have you here, carving out this precious time for yourself, for your inner journey. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a calm, familiar forest. You know every path, every tree. It's safe, it's known. But just beyond, you sense a vibrant, sunlit meadow full of unknown beauty and new experiences, calling to the adventurer within you. Today, we'll take a gentle, mindful step towards that meadow, exploring the courage it takes to venture beyond the familiar. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your body feel fully supported. If it feels right, gently close your eyes or let your gaze soften. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest expand. And as you exhale, release any tension, any holding. Another breath in, drawing in calm, and a long, soothing breath out, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Now, let's tune into our inner landscape. What feelings are present for you right now? Is there a sense of peace? Anticipation? Perhaps a little tiredness? Or even a whisper of resistance? Whatever you find, greet it with kindness, without judgment, just noticing. And what about your thoughts? Are they racing or are they calm? Observe them as if they are leaves floating down a stream. Do any of these thoughts touch upon areas in your life where you feel perhaps a little too settled, a little too comfortable, or maybe a little fearful of the new? This is the voice of self-awareness, gently showing us where we are, so we can choose where we want to go. Our comfort zone is natural, designed to protect, but like a plant that needs more space to grow, sometimes we too need to expand beyond our current pot. Picture that familiar forest again. Now, sense that sunlit meadow just beyond its edge. Feel the warmth of the sun. Hear the gentle breeze. Perhaps there's a small voice inside, a little hesitant about stepping out. That's okay. That's human. But there's another voice too, isn't there? A deeper, quieter knowing. A part of you that yearns for growth, for aliveness, for the thrill of discovery. This is your inner strength, your innate wisdom. Place a hand on your heart, if you wish. Feel its steady beat. This is the rhythm of your courage, your resilience. This part of you knows that challenges are not just obstacles, but invitations to discover how strong and capable you truly are. Think about a time you did something that felt a little challenging, but you did it anyway. How did you feel afterwards? Remember that strength. It's still within you. As you stand at the edge of this metaphorical forest, consider what unique gifts, what special talents you have to share with the world. What makes your heart sing? What kind of value do you feel called to create? Often, our greatest fulfillment comes not from seeking comfort alone, but from using our unique abilities to contribute, to serve, to make a difference, however small it may seem. The path to that sunlit meadow might not always be easy. There might be new things to learn, old patterns to release, but each step taken with intention, with an open heart, aligns you more closely with your true purpose. Feel the quiet excitement of aligning with your potential, of moving towards a life that feels deeply resonant. Gently now, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Follow the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the contact of your body with the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, at your own pace, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of gentle empowerment with you. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If it resonated with you, I would be so grateful if you could like this video. Share your thoughts in the comments. Perhaps one small step you feel inspired to take towards your own sunlit meadow. And subscribe for more content to support your journey of growth. For our art therapy exercise today, take a piece of paper and some colors. First, draw or symbolize the familiar forest of your comfort zone. Next, draw the sunlit meadow that represents growth, new possibilities, or your purpose. Then, draw a path, a bridge, or even just a single step you can take to move from the forest to the meadow. What does that first step look like or feel like? This creative exercise can help you visualize and affirm your intention to embrace growth and your unique path. Thank you once again for your presence. May you walk forward with courage, embracing your potential and the beautiful journey of becoming. Until next time, be well.